Alright, we're going to make this video incredibly quickly. As of late, I've been playing with the new Ledger Nano. Been really enjoying it so far. Works really good on the computer. Start playing around with it a little bit more on the phones, trying to see how it works with Ledger Live or Ledger Wallet, whatever you're calling it nowadays, using a mobile phone. I am someone who tends to heap major praise to Ledger. I really like their ecosystem. I really like their devices. Again, I primarily use them on the computer and love the device. However, when Ledger does stupid stuff and they piss me off or piss off the community, I call that shit out. And if I'm having this issue, I'm sure you guys are too. But the mobile app has been a really terrible experience. Like I said, I don't use it much, but once I caught it using the Ledger Nano earlier today and doing the Ledger key setup videos, I've noticed how slow they can be. On my iPhone 17 Pro Max right here and my Seeker, those have the worst experience. The Seeker, I'll be honest, is almost unusable at times. The iPhone 17 Pro Max starts off really slow. The more you use it, it can kind of like settle down, but it's a very not great experience. Then I have the Fold 7 over here. When I was playing around with it on here, once I noticed it wasn't running great on here. You either have a really, really, really good experience or a really, really, really poor experience. There's no in between. And you should not need to own a $2,000 phone or a $1,200 phone just to have a good experience with the Ledger Live app, Ledger Wallet app, whatever the hell they're calling it nowadays. And here, for example, we're tapping the Ledger app right now. It takes a couple seconds to a minute to actually get into the app. To me, that's a long time, but once you get in, who cares? Now we're going to tap the Earn app. This is probably the quickest it loaded me in out of all the times I've tried using it. So I just tapped my Ledger. Took about 10 to 15 seconds before it actually responded. Tap the Earn button again. Took a bit, finally loaded, hit the wallet app. Like, to me, like, if it was like this speed, it is what it is, it would be fine-ish. But there's times you're waiting 15 seconds, 10 seconds for like a simple change on the app. So right now this kind of settled in. It's kind of going fine right now. But when you saw when I first opened it how slow it was going, that's not okay. Now we have the Ledger Seeker. I think the specs that are built into the Seeker is probably similar to what a lot of people have. It's like a mid-range phone, probably 3-year-old iPhone, like middle range Galaxy phone or Android phone. But if you tap this experience is painful. Like I said, I've done a couple things and it worked fine, but oh my god, like, I'm gonna tap the Earn button right now. It's loading, it's loading. We're in. Again, this is probably the quickest the app has run for me. I did tap the Discover button. Let's see if it recognizes that. It did. We're gonna tap my Ledger. Again, I believe I tapped the My Ledger button. I'll give it another couple seconds. There it is. Go back into the wallet. Like, if you're trying to install apps, if you're trying to do certain things on this Ledger device, maybe even just send or receive crypto, like, let's say I wanted to receive some Cardano. I just tapped the Cardano app. I believe I tapped the Cardano app. I'm pretty sure I tapped it. Okay, let's try again. Then we're gonna hit receive, tap. Okay, like, that kind of worked. But like I said, it's a very painful like experience, like just with the average trying to get around the app. Like, now it's starting to speed up, so I guess since I've been in, it's kind of cached everything. But like, it's not a good experience. So again, let's go to the most expensive phone on the table right now, the Fold. But again, I don't think it should be taking this long to get into the app. I don't think it should take as long as it is to get around. Like right now, the Fold is probably the best experience out of all of them. And even then, like you're seeing me do some taps, it's taking a while for even certain things on this phone to load through. Again, I'm pretty sure I tapped the Cardano button. It's like the app doesn't always like take my taps. But I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, because quite frankly, there's so much competition out there right now. Trezor just released a really nice big screen battery powered Trezor device. There's a lot of other good ones out there, like the EliPal out there, SafePal, stuff like that. Let me know how your experience has been with Ledger, or if it's been kind of bugging you and you're thinking of moving on. Alright, with that being said, guys, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.